Hello my few subscribers, I just got myself a parts car. This is doesn't go in drive. I was thinking of something different, see if I can swap the body, but I really want to rebuild that one just for the challenge of it. We'll see, maybe I can fix this one even though it's missing some parts. So hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Now I'm gonna try to see what's about with this, the third parts car now, to see if something is good, if it's gonna go into gear and stuff. And I don't know, I don't really want to save it because I already have 3 cars now instead of 1. So let me check what's happening with this. If it starts, this is a very nice body, no damage really. I was still thinking to do an engine swap, like everything swap on this from the white one, that I kind of want to rebuild that one for the challenge. But this is really nice, really nice too. 101,000 miles. This interior is very nice, better than the gray one, but it has some missing stuff. It has carpet missing. So I did check some things on this car, the parts car. I was thinking maybe I can save it, but it has too many problems. It has parts missing, it doesn't go into gear, it has many miles, it has 108,000 miles, and I just said okay, just forget it, I'm just gonna part it out, even if I'm gonna use the body for the other one. But I decided to just rebuild the other one, and this one is just parts car. So now I did switch the SAM module from the white car to the brown one, this one, the flooded one, and see if it's gonna work without being programmed. So now is the moment of truth. This is the new one. AMG. Come on people, it's not AMG. Grab the key. What do you need? Work. ABS on. Oh no. Look at this. I already love this car. What's this? So I need to replace the SAM module. It's gonna rain soon, and I see it's working now. Still I think it needs to be programmed because it's not exactly the same feature. It doesn't have the same exactly options like the other one. So the only light in the dash is just the tire. This is nice. Freedom, baby. Freedom, Pepe. What's this guy doing? Hey, Weasel! Ce faci, Weasele?
Mor la peaje.
E ok, că mâncă-ți în țară.
Doesn't have traction with these tires.
Îți place, meme? Îți place? Do you love the car, meme?
Very much.
No more rain. Man, ești vlogărița, mă.